How to fix Samsung A16 screen rotation not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, like that, and then restart your device. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then download sensor test and test accelerometer. After install that, then reset your settings. For reset your settings, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general management. After clicking on general management, you can see the option reset. Now click on reset and then click on reset all setting. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.